Alright, today we're going to do a quick unboxing of the Meilong 3M. Before I get into it, I just want to give a quick thank you to RL Cube Shop for sending me this cube to review. So if you're going to get this cube, get it there. I'm also doing a free shipping in the US event, but it's ending in a day. So if you're considering getting this cube, get it now from RL Cube Shop. So it comes with a stand, it comes with accessories, and I believe the only thing in there is a screwdriver and some other pamphlets, so that's fine. So here's the cube. Has the typical Meilong plastic feel, although the shades are a little bit different. I think we've got a darker green, maybe a better yellow. The shades on the original Meilong were kind of washed out, so I didn't like them. But anyways, let's get into some first turns. This is kind of fast. I'm getting a lot of catches. Corner cutting is good, but it takes a lot of force. Reverse is good too, but it's got that, like, you know, snap. You really feel it. It's a little tight. But it's got a like soft, silky feel to it, which is really nice. But it's really fast. Right? Yeah, that's too fast. All right, just did a few solves, and I'm getting some lockups. I'm gonna set this up in my own way, but it's got a lot of potential. And for $5, I guess the magnet strength is, I'd say, medium light. You definitely feel it. There's a nice click, but it's not too overbearing. I think they could be a little stronger, but it's a $5 cube, $6 cube. But yeah, the feel is super nice. It feels essentially like the Meilong, just much more stable, and more like a good cube. The last Meilong was a little bit bendy, flexible, and yeah, just not as stable. And I think the magnets also help with that. I'm going to do a comparison video very soon, comparing all of the budget cubes from 2020. There's been a lot of videos coming out comparing the Meilong to the RS3 2020, and then also to the Qi MS. But I'm going to sort of make it a little bit more broader and do some other ones like the Thunderclap, which I actually think is still relevant budget speed cube. But yeah, I'm going to be comparing those in a video soon. But anyways, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos. Hope you have a great day.